Nicki Woo, and today I'm going to show you how I quickly and cheaply, for free, covered my poof that my girls use every day to sit by the fire, or they move it for me to do their hair. So if you want to see, I'm going to show you how I did it in less than 2 minutes. Okay, so we're moving into the new year, and I was thinking we're getting ready to take down, you can see those stockings behind me and the nutcrackers, and I just kind of wanted to make the living room more like a clean slate, more even colors and everything. And so this is what my poof looks like. Originally, I got it at Target like, I don't know, 3-4 years ago, and I really like it, but I'm sick of this color. And so originally I was thinking, I wasn't sure what color, if I wanted to buy a cover that was leather and brown, or a gray one, or white. I'd seen at Five Below they have some furry white ones that I thought I might try. And then I thought, oh, maybe I could buy a sweater. So let me show you. I didn't even buy a sweater. I just went in my closet and grabbed one. But let me show you what I thought I'd try to do so that I could at least figure out if I liked the color I was about to try.
Okay, so here is my magic tool. This is what I did. I just used an old sweater that I had, sweatshirt, it's more sweater material, and I put it on top of there, and voila. Then I could see if I really liked the color I was thinking. And I liked it so much that I kind of think I might keep it that way for a while. So it's super simple. Let me show you what I did. And by the way, if you don't have a sweater, you can just go to Goodwill and find a really cheap one and the color that you like and try it out. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is put the sweater on top of this poof. So let me grab it and like mush it so it's a little bit easier for me to like put the sweater on top. I'm gonna put the neck hole at the top like this. I mean, it's just like I'm basically getting dressed. So all I'm doing is I'm just gonna pull this on top, flip it upside down. This has pockets on it. It has like a front hand pocket, and I don't really want that to show, so I'm just gonna kind of tighten it a little bit. And then I'm gonna take the arms, I'm gonna pull it through like this. I'm gonna do both of them. Let me get the other one. Pull it through like this so that you see how I'm making it kind of like smooth and it's not as obvious. And now I'm gonna pull it through the bottom. See? You see right here? It kind of makes it smooth. And then I'm gonna go through and grab the other one on the other side. And since my poof is, you could tie it like this and just leave it if you want, but mine kind of has a little hole at the bottom, so I'm just pulling it tightly and tucking it in. I'm gonna do that again with the other side. I'm just about done. All right. So, I'm gonna flip it like this and put it into place. Since mine has kind of like a turtleneck on the top, I'm gonna gather it, but if it was just a hole, you could just leave it like that. And I always, I don't know, what's the word? Kind of put blankets on top of my poof because it's right in front of the fireplace, so my kids usually, they like to play board games over here or just do their homework over here because it's nice and warm. So I just did like that, and you actually could leave it like that. I think it looks nice like that. But since they like blankets, I put my blanket here, and then I always just take the pillows that they use also over here, and I fashion them around there. Here's a black one that I just kind of lean. They like lots of pillows. And there you go. There it is. There it is. All done. It looks nice with or without And for right now, I think I'm gonna leave it like that until I decide really what color I want. And maybe by season, I might even change it out to another color. But for right now, I'm really surprised at how much I'm loving it. And it was so fast and so easy, and everybody can do this themselves. So if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you think of some other video ideas that you'd like to see me do, give me a comment and I'll hook you up. All right, have a nice day and have a great new year.